Hi students, I'm Dr. Benson from Medico, and we are very happy to introduce to you the Core 6 overview series that we're designing for the last 20 days revision. As you know, 60% of all questions come from 6 subjects: medicine, surgery, pediatrics, gynae, PSM and patho. And all these subjects are very volatile and vast. And most importantly, if you're going to read hundreds of pages of notes in these subjects now, you'll be forgetting it in a day or so. But it's even more easier when we analyzed over the last 10 years what we have understood is that majority of questions do tend to come in and around some topics, or we call it as competencies. For example, let's say in medicine, you know that hematology, anemias, especially microcytic anemias or hyperchromic anemias is very important and have questions there. Multiple myeloma has questions coming in. So these are competency topics, right? So if you're solving one question in this and try to understand the points in that topic, it's easier to revise it, right? So that's what we're trying to do in this Core 6 sessions. We're not going to teach anything new, and we're not asking you to write notes or create workbooks for these sessions. We're just asking you to listen to these topics. As Dr. Ravirna in medicine, what she's going to do is she's going to solve one question per topics of competencies of last 10 years, and she will tell you in and around areas of these topics, so that you can actually go back and use your primary source to read up, or more importantly, we'll tell you to solve up. For example, you can use Medico's subject topic-wise sessions, or you can use Marrow's custom modules, you can use pre-PG's practice sessions to actually go and select topics in which you're going wrong and do questions there, rather than trying to revise hundreds of pages of notes. In this context, we are going to tell you that the most important thing that you can do now to improve your score in the next 20 days is to do questions in these competencies where you are weak in, so that you are actually filling up your holes and improving by 50 to 100 marks in the next 20 days. So all the best. We are very happy to be a part of your learning journey, and we'll be trying to do more sessions. After nEET-PG, we're going to launch the INI-CET Core 6 series, as well as we are planning to launch sessions for students to consistently learn every day by keeping you on track and giving you a schedule for the long-term goals also. So we're very happy that you have received us. Do stay tuned to our channel. Please ask your questions and queries in our comment boxes. We'll always respond. And please do share our content with your friends, juniors and seniors, and help us grow more. Thank you. All the best, and may God bless you.